Hello, fashion enthusiasts. Welcome to fabulousHUB, where we dive deep into the world of style, trends, and self-expression. I'm your host, and today, we're starting at the very beginning with Fashion 101, the basics of style. What is fashion? So, what exactly is fashion? Fashion is a form of self-expression that encompasses clothing, accessories, makeup, and even hairstyle choices. It's about how we present ourselves to the world. After all, who really cares about you as a person? You are who you are, what you have and what you wear. At the end of the day, it's all about showing off your personality and you're free to express it how you please. That's a truth we all know, but just in case you don't, life can be a lot easier if you just know the basics. You should know the basics of fashion because it will make you more confident. The importance of personal style. One of the key aspects of fashion is finding your personal style. Your style is an extension of your personality, and it's unique to you. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in what you wear. Will we all be the same as we were a year ago? Definitely not. We will change as individuals. Our body types will change, we will age, our fashion taste will change as well. Your personal style should always be evolving to match you, no matter what. However, with you being the same, you won't adapt as easily. Find your style, it will make you more confident. Key elements of fashion. Let's break down some key elements of fashion. 1. Color. Understanding color theory can help you create harmonious outfits. 2. Fit. Clothes that fit well make a huge difference in your overall look. 3. Fabric. Different fabrics drape and feel differently, affecting your comfort and style. 4. Pattern. Patterns can add interest and personality to your outfits. Fashion icons and inspiration. Fashion icons and celebrities often inspire our style choices. It's a great idea to look up to those whose fashion sense resonates with you. Take inspiration from their outfits and adapt them to your style. Sooner or later, you'll discover which clothing pieces you love and which ones you don't. Soon enough, you'll have your personal style. Building a wardrobe. Before we dive into the essentials, let's talk about why having a versatile wardrobe matters. A versatile wardrobe is like a toolkit for your daily style needs. It saves you time, money, and stress by giving you options for any occasion. Now, let's look at some classic clothing staples that are the building blocks of a versatile wardrobe. 1. White shirt. A crisp white shirt is incredibly versatile. You can dress it up or down for various occasions. 2. Well-fitting jeans. Find a pair that fits you like a glove. Jeans are the backbone of many outfits. 3. Little black dress, LBD. Every wardrobe needs an elegant LBD for special occasions. 4. Blazer. A blazer adds polish to any outfit, whether it's for work or a dinner date.